Hello, I'm Eileen. Welcome back to my channel. Today I'm unboxing the Allure Limited Special Edition Award Winners box. But first, if you're new to my channel, welcome. I'm so glad you decided to come and hang out with me for a while today. If you've not yet subscribed, I'd love it if you would hit that subscribe button. Also, if you enjoy this video, please give it a thumbs up before you leave. The Allure Award Winners Limited Edition box brings 11 products who've made the cut over the years, including some of Editor-in-Chief Michelle Lee's personal favorites. It's important to note the description says these are products that have made the cut over the years, meaning these are not the current year's award winners, so just be conscious of that. They do promise a $204 value or more for $60. If you are a member of the Allure Beauty Box, you do get a discount. You can purchase this box for $40. There are limited quantities. It was still available as of when I put all this together yesterday, Sunday, when I was, I'm not sure when this is going to go up, so you may want to check and see whether it is still available if it's something you might be interested in. But let's open it up, take a look at what's in the box, see what we think of it. So our first item is from Slip, and it is a pure silk skinny scrunchie in leopard. Let's see if we can get that to focus. They say these are designed to avoid hair creases. It is specially selected elastic with a slip silk covering, designed to be gentle on delicate hair. Slip is a company that makes silk pillowcases. I think that's what they're best known for. So this is made out of that same fabric. They're sold in sets of 6 for $39. The retail value of one then would be $6.50. Okay, our second product is from EltaMD Skincare. It is the UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. This is an oil-free EltaMD UV Clear, helps calm and protect sensitive skin types prone to discoloration and breakouts associated with acne and rosacea. It contains niacinamide, which is vitamin B3, hyaluronic acid, and lactic acid, ingredients that promote the appearance of healthy-looking skin. It's lightweight and silky. It can be worn with makeup or alone. Contains 9% transparent zinc oxide, antioxidant protection to combat skin aging free radicals associated with ultraviolet and infrared radiation, calms and protects acne-prone skin, leaves no residue, gives UVA and UVB sun protection, is fragrance-free, oil-free, paraben-free, sensitivity-free, and non-comedogenic. And the Skin Cancer Foundation recommends this product as an effective broad-spectrum sunscreen. This is 1.7 ounce or 48 grams. This is the full size, and it retails for $36. Our next product is from Kevinquan. I've never owned anything from Kevinquan before. This is the Glass Glow Face and Body Gloss. I don't know if that's going to focus, but it's a beautiful color box. Say this is a universal unique gloss highlighter for face and body. It creates a youthful looking, well-hydrated skin with a glassy complexion. A multi-purpose glow gel. Let's see, is that gonna, there we go. It can be used on the face and the body, leaving skin appearing clear, radiant, and seemingly transparent. Use it alone for a fresh look or add it to your existing routine for an added glass effect. It is available in 6 colors. The Allure Beauty Box award winner box was including one of 2 colors. You were either going to get Spectrum Bronze or Prism Rose. I received clearly Spectrum Bronze, which unfortunately I don't think is going to work for me, so this is one that I will find a good home for in a future giveaway. But it is a 30 milliliter or 1 ounce full-size product, and it retails for $32. Okay, next from Youth to the People. This is the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. They call this the Ultimate Hydrating Radiance Boost. An overnight sleep mask that deeply hydrates, plumps, and brightens with powerful antioxidant-rich super berries and THD ascorbate, the latest clinically proven form of stable vitamin C. I hope that's focusing for you. It's formulated with 4 vital hydrators: squalane, hyaluronic acid, glycerin, and betaine. And the Dream Mask plumps and locks in moisture to repair dehydrated skin. A full size of this is 2 fluid ounces or 59 milliliters and retails for $48. They do also sell the mini, which is this size, which is a half an ounce or 15 milliliters, and it retails for $15. Next product is from Ole Henriksen, and this is the Banana Bright Eye Cream. It brightens and instantly targets fine lines and wrinkles, delivering age-defying results. Collagen boosted, it firms and hydrates, even as it feels deliciously lightweight, making this your go-to vitamin C eye cream that promises to help revive and illuminate the entire eye area over time. Inspired by the makeup artist must-have banana powder, this sunny yellow brightening eye cream contains special pigments to instantly brighten and color correct the eye area. It creates a smooth, well-rested canvas and is proven to improve concealer wear. This is a 15 milliliter or 0.5 fluid ounce, full size, retails for $39. This next one I know is a favorite of some of you, and this is from Sol de Janeiro. This is the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream. I actually went to the Sol de Janeiro website and watched a video to make sure I was pronouncing that correctly, because I've heard it pronounced bum bum and boom boom, but they did say it is pronounced boom boom. But boom boom is the way the Brazilians say bum bum. This award-winning all-over body cream is the ultimate Brazilian beauty secret. Deliciously scented and fast-absorbing, the body cream helps smooth and visibly tighten the appearance of skin. Infused with all-powerful caffeine-rich guarana extract and a cocktail of acai oil, coconut oil, and something I can't pronounce. This fast-absorbing cream with an addictive pistachio salted caramel fragrance will bring out your most radiant skin ever. I hear amazing things about the scent of this. I am the one person on the planet that has never tried the Brazilian Boom Boom Cream, or so it seems here on YouTube. So I've actually received samples of it and given them away because, I don't know, it just never appealed to me, but I hear people that like actually want the fragrance as a fragrance, so now I'm intrigued. I'm gonna have to try it. The Brazilian Boom Boom Cream is available in 3 sizes. There is a 240 milliliter full size that retails for $45, 75 milliliter travel size that retails for $20, and a purse size 25 milliliter, which is what this one is, that retails for $10. Okay, our next product is from Benefit Cosmetics, and it is the Theyre Real Lengthening Mascara. You see it lengthens, curls, volumizes, and lifts. It's a long-wearing formula with a custom domed tip brush. I'm not going to open the brush because I don't want to open a mascara that I'm not ready to use. And there is the inside. It is available in 2 shades, Jet Black and Beyond Brown, and in 2 sizes. There's a full size that is 8.5 grams or 0.3 ounces. It retails for $25. They also sell a mini that is 4 grams or 0.14 ounces. It retails for $13. We received, I believe this is black. It doesn't say. Let's see, did it say on the tube and I didn't notice? It does not, so I'm going to assume, I don't know, the barrel is brown, the box is black. It is some form of dark. And this is a deluxe sample, which is 3 grams, which would have a value based on the price of the mini of $9.75. Okay, next from e.l.f. This is Gentle Peeling Exfoliant. This is the best-selling Gentle Peeling Exfoliant Cleanser. Gently peels away dead skin, leaving behind healthy, glowing skin. I hope that is focusing properly. Enjoy the added benefits of tangerine, papaya, and licorice extracts. It is a 3.4 ounce full size. It is sealed, so I'm not going to open it in case I decide not to keep it. Again, this is the 3.04 ounce or 90 milliliter full size, and it retails for $10. Okay, our next product is from Moroccan Oil, and this is their Moroccan Oil Treatment. This is the original. This is a versatile argan oil infused hair treatment and styler. Hopefully we can get that to focus. Sometimes it's hard with these little guys. Come on. Again, it's a versatile argan oil infused hair treatment and styler that promotes softer, stronger hair with increased shine and less frizz. It is for straight, wavy, curly, or coily hair, particularly for medium and thick hair. Those with hair concerns such as shine, frizz, flyaways, or dryness. It is available in 3 sizes at retail: 100 milliliter for $44, a 50 milliliter for $34, and a 25 milliliter for $15. We received a deluxe sample that is 10 milliliters or 0.34 fluid ounces with a value of $6. Okay, next is from Urban Decay, and it is their 24/7 Glide On Eye Pencil. It came in this little pack. It's kind of cool. And it's the back, steal this look. This is a waterproof eye pencil that glides on ultra creamy and delivers intense long wear color that won't budge. Made with 50% hydrating ingredients like vitamin E, jojoba oil, and cottonseed oil, the 24/7 eye pencil comes in multiple finishes ranging from matte and metallic to satin and shimmer. You can see there's all the different colors in here, and then you can see the pencil right here in the middle. You say line your eyes with a hint of color or opt for a graphic, dramatic look. It is available in 34 shades. Yes, I counted them. Everyone received the shade 0 in the box, and that is black. Full size would be 1.2 grams or 0.04 ounces and retails for $22. This is a deluxe sample, which is 0.8 grams, which would give it a value of about $14.67. And our last product came all wrapped up in bubble wrap, is from Natasha Denona, and this is an eyeshadow single. Now, mono eyeshadows are sold on the Beautylish website. I wasn't aware of this, so it's worth checking out if you've been tempted to buy one of those big Natasha Denona palettes because you wanted 1 or 2 of the shades, but you know you won't use the rest of them, especially those big, $129 or $159 palettes. They are available in 50 shades on the Beautylish website. This shade that I received was actually not one of the ones that is available on the Beautylish website, or at least not currently. There were 3 potential shades you could have gotten in the box. And a full-size single shade is 2.5 grams or 0.8 ounces, which is what this is, and it retails for anywhere between $25 to $29 on the Beautylish website. I received the shade 126K, and I believe it's pronounced Aubade, A-U-B-A-D-E. Let me show you the outside first. Hopefully you can see that. And then I'll open it up. It's a little frosted glass here. And here is the shade. And it is one of the shades in the Sunset palette, as I went and looked. So this is in the Natasha Denona Sunset palette. It is a beautiful copper. I believe it's because it's the K, I believe it's one of her crystal shades. The retail value on this is $29. I don't have the Sunset palette. It was one of the ones that I haven't chosen to pick up or haven't picked up yet. It didn't necessarily call to me as much as some of the others, so it's nice to know that some of these shadows anyway are available to purchase as singles. So if there are shades in particular you're like, oh, I love that shade, but I don't want to buy a $129 palette or a $159, some of the earlier palettes, or even those $65 palettes, that, you know, they're a lot of money if you're only going to use 1 or 2 shades. So again, these, it's a lot for a single shade. I certainly wouldn't replace an entire 15 shade palette at this rate, but if you only want 1 or 2, $25 to $29 may be worth it for you versus paying $159 for one of the big palettes, or $129 for the larger palette. So again, that was a retail value of $29. So that was everything in the Allure Limited Edition Award Winners box. So again, we had the Natasha Denona eyeshadow single, the Urban Decay 24/7 Glide On Pencil, that's a deluxe sample, the Moroccan Oil Treatment sample, the e.l.f. Gently Peeling Exfoliant, that's a full-size product, the Benefit Cosmetics Theyre Real Mascara, that's another deluxe size sample, the Sol de Janeiro Boom Boom Cream, this is their per-size retail product, from Henriksen, the full-size Banana Bright Eye Cream, from Youth to the People, the Super Berry Hydrate and Glow Dream Mask. Again, this is a retail full-size product, or at least a retail product. From Kevinquan, the Glass Glow Face and Body Gloss. I can't speak today. Not a good day to be filming when you're having trouble speaking. The EltaMD Skincare UV Clear Broad Spectrum SPF 46. I don't think I've ever seen an SPF 46. Okay. And the Small Slip Silk Scrunchie. So they promised us $204 or more total retail value. And again, I did calculate these, verify them against retail prices that are currently available. And total retail value of the box that I received, $207.92. So I certainly can't be mad at that. Let me know if there's anything in here that you really are interested in, or if you're interested in the box. Again, as of Sunday, the Sunday before this goes up, because I'm not sure which day this one's going to go up, this was still available, so you can check and see if there are things in here that you might want. If you already get the Allure Beauty Box, it is $40 or $60 if you don't. Still, for $200 plus worth of product, and you know exactly what's in it, it's not a bad deal. Leave any comments down in the comment section. Please give this video a thumbs up if you enjoyed it. Subscribe down below if you haven't done it already. And thank you for spending your time hanging out with me today. Please stay safe. Don't forget, I have a video for my 1 month that has a really big giveaway in it that is still open. So I'll put it in the cards. Yes, I'll put the card up here for it. Definitely check that one out if you haven't already, so you can enter the giveaway. There's a lot of good stuff in there. And I'll see you real soon. Bye.